Hi friends, வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஒரு எக்ஸ்டர்னல் மினி கேனிஸ்டர் ஃபில்டர் பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். It was expected to be unboxed. ஆக்சுவலாக இது என்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டோட அக்வேரியமுக்கு ஆக்சுவலாக he has got an 45 centimeters of semi-planted tank. ஸோ ஆக்சுவலாக ஒரு ஹேங் ஆன் ஃபில்டர் தான் போட்டிருந்தோம், பட் I don't think it's working much. So I suggested him to go for some mini canister and we thought of exploring with the Sunsun. So இது ஒரு மினி கேனிஸ்டர் தான், எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். பட் என்னன்னா, ஸோ ஐ திங்க் மோஸ்ட் ப்ராபப்லி ஐவ் சீன் guys using this for more than 2 feet 3 feet tanks எல்லாமே. ஸோ that's not worth it. I mean, keep it maximum is 2 feet but very efficient below 2 feet. So I would definitely suggest to go with below 2 feet tanks, not more than that, as flow rate is very very low and the compartment, the filtration compartment is too small. Anyways, let us unbox. As expected, rombave mini. This is the accessories compartment. So this is the model, guys. 603B. நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா compartment is too small. If you open it up, பார்க்கலாம். ஃபில்டர் இதுக்கு அவுட் சைடு தான் வரும். very easy to unlock. Just pull it up. That's it. Very simple தான், பட் பி வெரி ஃப்ரெஜைல். ஐ மீன் கொஞ்சம் ரஃப்யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் அக்சசரி பிரேக் ஆகிற சான்சஸ் நிறையவே இருக்குது. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த டோட்டல் கம்பார்ட்மெண்ட், கைஸ். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஒரு எவ்வளோ பிடிக்கும்னு பார்த்தா இது ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஒரு ஒன் லிட்டர் வாட்டர் பிடிக்கிறது பெரிய விஷயம், பிக்கஸ்ட் திங். 1 liter of water. I think it's fine. This is the hose pipes. I think everyone are aware of this. What this is and how big, let you know how big it is in some time. One good thing is the controller knob. I will tell you what's the advantage of this in some time. Outlet and inlet pipes. So I don't want to get too deep into this. I think already many YouTubers have done this unboxing and damn sure everyone is aware how to fit this thing. Let us talk about the filtration compartment. Yes guys, so நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this is the compartment. ஸோ இது ஒரு எதுனா அவுட்லெட்டோட வாட்டர் ஃப்ளோ, இம்பியூரிட்டிஸ் ஏதாவது இருந்துச்சுன்னா இட் மேக்ஸிமம் ஸ்பஞ்சை புஷ் பண்ணி வைக்கும். ஜஸ்ட் வாட்டர் மட்டும் அவுட்லெட் கொடுக்குறதா. நத்திங் மேஜர் ஆஃப் திஸ். பட் டோன்ட் யூஸ் திஸ். இது யூஸ் ஆகும். இதை மிஸ்பிளேஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க. கீப் இட் சேஃப். திஸ் ஆர் த காமன் ஸ்பஞ்சஸ் விச் தே கிவ். குட். ஸோ நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கீழே இதே மாதிரி ஒன்று இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் டு கீப் த செப்பரேட் த இம்ப்யூரிட்டிஸ் ஃப்ரம் த ஃபில்டர் மீடியா. ஸோ தட் இஸ் த மெயின் பார்ட். ஸோ டோன்ட் மிஸ்பிளேஸ் இட். நீங்கள் இதை ஸ்பஞ்சை எடுத்துகிட்டு வேறு ஏதாவது ஃபில்டர் மீடியா போட்டாலும் டைரெக்டாக ஃபில்டர் மீடியா போடாதீங்க. கீப் திஸ் ட்ரே, தென் ஆட் த ஃபில்டர் மீடியா. டு நாட் ஆட் ஃபில்டர் மீடியா directly without this tray. The main purpose of this tray is for the surface area. As soon as you let in the water, it will push through the filter media. There won't be sufficient time for the filter media to react with water. That's the reason the tray has been kept, so that sufficient time will be there for the water to react with the filter media. So let me keep it back. This is the color coding. You may wonder why it is color coded, because color coded is different coarseness. If you can see, this is too small, too soft, sorry. This is bit coarser, this is medium coarser, and this is higher coarser. That's the reason for the color coding, nothing major science behind this. So let's throw that out. And finally, let us keep this. So I think you can take off one sponge which you think you don't know, or whichever color you don't like, that is up to you. And important thing, make a use of an filter media like this and just unpack it. If you see, these are the infrared ceramics right now trending in market. You can use this type, so use this. That is some 10 to 15 or I think entire pack. And fill it up with this thing. Then you can keep the sponge. Don't overcrowd it, or don't give very less space. Give more space for the water circulation. I've seen many people stuffing the entire canister compartment with the filter medias. There won't sufficient time for reaction with the water. So also water must flow freely. Also there has to be bit restriction for the mixability with the filter media. So please do keep that in mind. Then later on, fix everything as it is. Then you can seal it. See, as I told, I think filter media is too high, it's not letting me close it. So let me do one thing. Take off all the filter media and also one more sponge. Let me keep this now, I think. And be very careful while handling or washing the canister. Do not damage this O-ring. This is the one which keeps your water from not leaking. So please make sure not to damage this ring. That's it. It's going very smooth. Then this is the controller knob, which I told it would be very, very useful in this, because it is just to adjust the knob. Example, if you're keeping this in some very lesser than 45 centimeter tank, the flow will be too high for that tank. So you can always regulate the water flow through this valve. It goes right here. It's very easy. Yes guys, I have completed the fixing the hoses into the nozzle, and coming to the length of the wire, it is around 3 feet, not more than 3, I mean max 3 to 3.5 feet. I think it's sufficient. And also one more thing, I observed this in filter, it doesn't have such a huge capacity to push water to a very high level. So make sure it is not more than 2 feet or less than 2 feet below the aquarium, wherever you keep it, or at the same level as aquarium. If you keep it too low, I mean, I'm definitely very sure it's not going to push the water to very certain height, more than 2 feet. So make sure to keep it less than 2 feet or same level as an aquarium, because I've seen it personally. I know this. I mean, it's not such a huge capacity motor. And coming to motor, which I never spoke of it, if you see the wattage is just 6 watts and just 400 liters per hour. So just imagine a pump of 4 watt capability to push water to certain height. So don't expect it to push the water more than 2 feet. So make sure that is less than 2 feet. That's it guys, coming to the canister compartment. And definitely you can keep the sponges which I thrown away. I mean, I'm gonna pick it up later, so you please make sure to keep those things so that you can replace it every 3 months. I mean, the sponge which you use now may degrade by continuous usage, so that time you can be very useful to throw it, because you don't get in such shape in the markets, and it's very medium high range price actually when compared to the sponge which comes in the box. So please make sure to keep those things. And also about the attachment accessories, they are very, very fragile. So don't lose any single of the things will be very hard to find, and it will be very hard to source out again if you miss any of the single accessories. I think pretty good accessories have been given for the X spray bar, spray nozzle. I mean, based on your taste, whatever you want, you can fix it. I don't want to go much deep into this because I think it's not a new product in the market, and I know everyone are aware of it already. I just wanted to demo the quality of the product. Okay for the price what we gave, and what price for the pipe also. It's good for 3 feet. It is very good. So it is okay, guys. That's it for today. Take care. Any other doubts, any other comments, or kindly comment me or ping me. I'll be happy to reply back. And I will make sure to showcase this video once my friend fixes it in his aquarium. I definitely showcase the filtration rate and filtration capacity, and how well it fitted is 45 centimeter tank. That's it, guys. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.